Hi everyone, Skip here. Take a journey with me as I explore all 64 of Wisconsin's state parks and post short, informative, inspirational videos on this channel. Tune in and plan your day hike. The ancient village of Aztalan is Wisconsin's premier archaeological site and a National Historic Landmark. Successive Native American cultures lived here along the Crawfish River for thousands of years. Around 1050 AD, people from the great Mississippian culture in southern Illinois came here and established a fortified town, living in the region among the woodland people until the mysterious abandonment of the site around 1200 AD. The people of Aztalan constructed 3 earthen pyramidal platform mounds that supported important buildings, including a temple, a mortuary structure, and probably the residence of a chief. 2 of these mounds survive and have been faithfully restored from damage suffered from years of modern agricultural use. Portions of the fortification have also been constructed on the same places where archaeologists found evidence of log walls. These stockades contain watchtowers at regularly spaced intervals. Entrance points to the town were disguised by building overlapping walls, shown here, that appeared from a distance as a continuous, unbroken wall. The Conical Mounds at the northwest corner of the park were found to have large diameter posts secured in deep pits. None of these are burial mounds, but rather are thought to have been ceremonial sites commemorating important events. There are 2 miles of trails that meander among the stockades, mounds, prairie landscape, and along the wooded Crawfish River basin of this 172-acre park. Tours and special events are scheduled throughout the year and can be found in the links listed below. I encourage you to come and spend a few hours or all day here. The park is located about 40 minutes from the Capitol building in Madison. I left here with a feeling of wonder and curiosity. Premier